Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fade text in and out in Premiere Pro. Support me on Buy Me a Coffee to help bring you more tutorials, link in the description. Begin by selecting the type tool and adding text. Then select the text and adjust it to your liking via the Essential Graphics panel. Next, open the Effects window and search for Linear Wipe. Add the Linear Wipe effect to the text layer twice. In the Effect Controls panel, under the first Linear Wipe effect, set the wipe angle to -90 degrees and the feather to 750. Make sure you are at the beginning of the text layer and create a keyframe for transition completion, setting the value to 100%. Move about 3 seconds forward and set the transition completion to 0. Now, while still at this point, go to the second Linear Wipe effect and set the feather to 750 as well. Create a keyframe for transition completion at 0, then move another 3 seconds forward. Set the transition completion to 100% at this point, and you'll have text that smoothly fades in from left to right, and after a few seconds, fades out. If you have any questions, comment below, and I will reply as soon as possible, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, see you again in the next video.